Welcome Life Class 2 Chapter 1 Health and Hygiene. Hello my dear children. We were doing Chapter 1 Health and Hygiene. In this chapter you were learning about cleanliness. My dear children, we all want to live a healthy life. Children, to stay healthy, we should eat healthy food and take care of cleanliness as it is important to live a healthy life. If we will not keep ourselves and our surroundings clean, it will spread various diseases. My dear children, in chapter 1, we have learned that we should keep our house clean because clean house is free from all diseases. Children, now let's do multiple choice question. There are 2 questions. First we are going to do number 1. Question number 1. Choose the right thing to destroy the mosquitoes. The options are a broom, phenyl, mosquito coil and mopping. Yes, my dear children, can you tell me? Very good. It's mosquito coil. Okay, children, mosquito coil is used to destroy the mosquitoes. Next question. Question 2. What happens when there are spiders in our home? The options are mites accumulate, cobwebs are formed, spiders droppings, all of the above. Yes, children, the right answer is cobwebs are formed. Children, now there are things that we should do and that we should not do. So let's see what all things are there. First, brush your teeth and take bath daily. Okay, children, we should take bath daily and we should also brush our teeth daily. Children, trim your nails regularly as the dust particles get stick into our nails and they are very dangerous. Next, we should wash our hands with soap. Keep the toilet clean. Always flush the toilet after using it. Keeping the doors and windows open could be dangerous. We should not keep them open. Okay, children, we should always keep the windows and doors closed. Do not waste food. Children, we should always finish our food. We should not waste food. We should not litter paper in class as it will make our classroom look dirty. We should not litter paper in class. We should throw them in the dustbin. Now, note down your homework. Make a list of things to do and tell if you should do it or not.